unable to open hyperlinks from Outlook and how to fix it. So here I am in the Outlook application and I have an email right here with a hyperlink. So when I click on a hyperlink, it should automatically open in a browser and it displays the website right here. So if you are having some problems with opening the hyperlink, there are a there is a solution that we can do where we will change the value in the registry editor. So from here, you can just go ahead, go to search and then type in regedit, and then you will see a registry editor right here. So just click on that, click yes. From here, you need to go to this location right here. So computer hkey classes root and then .html. So you can go right here, hkey classes root, and then expand the folder. Then you can find .html right here. So this is in alphabetical, so you can just find the letter H, which is this one, html. Or instead of doing that, you can just go ahead and type it in right here. So for example, I have computer hkey classes root. I can backslash, then .html, then I'll be redirected to the same folder. So from here, the default file right here is set to Internet Explorer. So you need to change this data right here. So this needs to be HTML file. So previously there was an error where sometimes like a certain application in your computer changes the value of this string or of this default file as the name of the application. So in my case, it's Internet Explorer. So Microsoft has fixed that problem. So in my case, I am able to see hyperlinks even though the data is set to Internet Explorer. But in your case, if it's still not working, you can just change the value data to the default value, which is HTML file. So from there, click OK, and then make sure you have HTML file right here. Then you can close this. From here, what you need to do is that you need to restart Outlook. So to do that, you can just close Outlook, then go ahead and open it again. From there, you can go ahead and go to an email with a hyperlink, and then it should now work properly. So I clicked on the link and now it opened it right here in the browser. And then that is it. That is how we can fix the problem where we are unable to open hyperlinks from Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.